Puja Walia, and I believe what you use is what you should recommend. In 2016, I approached Fenesta to change doors and windows of my apartment here in Sector 75 Noida. And as promised, from sales to selection to placing the order to delivery to installation, all came absolutely professional, seamless, and as promised. Using Fenesta not only enhanced the aesthetics of my house, but also made it soundproof and insulated, and yet kept the originality of my house very modern yet contemporary. Reason being, Fenesta come in various different wood finishes and never make you feel that you're not using wood. So I highly recommend that all the people who are trying to upgrade their windows and doors should definitely approach Fenesta.